Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take your swipe to the next level. I made a swipe PDF guide. If you need to learn this move, check out the guide that I made. You can find the link in the description. First thing, to make your swipe better, push your hips higher. Many people do the swipe with the hips a little bit like this. Try to push it more, really as high as possible in this way. Almost pretend you have to arch your back a little bit. The most useful exercise you can do to make your hips higher is just staying in this position and holding it for as long as you can. More than 15 seconds would be good. So hold here. Don't drop down. It's useless if you hold it like this, but really push your hips high and stay like this for as long as possible. Also on the other side, even if you don't do the swipe on the other side, just so you don't get strong only on one side of your body. So I really recommend practicing it on both sides. Second tip to improve your swipe, this is also a very common mistake. When you throw the hand in this way, then you lean the other hand here, very far away from you. In this way, you're gonna do the swipe always facing in the same direction. I'm gonna show you an example. So starting from here, you see, I'm kind of facing always the front. To make it better, you should lean the right hand if you spin clockwise. So from here, you're gonna jump on your left and you're gonna lean the right hand as close as possible to yourself. So not far away here, but really close to you. Even better, if your swipe is powerful and high, if you really try to make a circle with this hand and wait as long as possible before to lean it on the floor. In this way, you're gonna turn way more in the swipe, and the swipe will look way wider and bigger. If it's still too hard for you, try at least to lean the second hand, so the right hand, on the same line as the left one. I'm gonna show you an example, and try to end up in the opposite direction as you started. So if I start facing the camera, I will end up facing the wall. From here, push, and as you can see, I land to the opposite direction and I lean the right hand in the same line as this one. Almost like doing a 3-step or a 2-step. So when you do a 3-step or a 2-step, you do 1, 2, you switch, you lean the hand here, you turn, and you go to the opposite direction. Same in the swipe. Third tip to make your swipe better. When you lift up the left hand off the floor, like this, don't immediately drop down with your foot, but try to wait as long as possible to turn with your body in this way and then lean the foot on the floor. In this way, you're gonna make your swipe way wider on the front side when you are about to tap with your foot on the floor. I'm gonna show you the difference right now. First, I'm gonna do a kind of normal round of swipe by turning immediately, and then I'm gonna do a wider round of swipe by waiting as long as possible on my right hand. So this is a regular swipe. Okay, so I'm not waiting that long before to tap with my foot on the floor. It can be still good if you like it, but personally I prefer to do it in this way that I'm gonna show you right now. I hope you can notice the difference, but basically when you do swipes, try to wait as long as possible on each hand. So don't do like 1, 2, 3, very quick, but try to really make the movement wider, bigger, and waiting on each hand as long as possible. So here, turn, 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 and then lean the other hand, and then turn, 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 and then tap. To learn this move as efficiently as possible, you have to follow a specific plan or method, and not just practice the move randomly or following too many different tutorials, because they all give you different information, and the training process could be a little confusing. The courses that I have created collect all the information that is very useful and structure it very clearly to make power moves easy for everyone. They also provide a training plan and some extra tips and concepts. Fourth tip to improve your swipe, try to jump higher when you're about to land on your landing hand, in my case the left, because I spin clockwise. To jump higher, you have to push your hips up stronger and you have to rely a little bit more on the jumping foot, in my case the right one, to really push yourself away from the floor in this way, and also helping myself pushing the left leg up. I'm gonna show you the difference again. First I'm gonna do a regular swipe, and then I'm gonna do a swipe by jumping higher. This is a regular swipe. This is a swipe by jumping higher. Also, this little detail will make your swipe way bigger and wider. Fifth and last step to improve your swipe form, focus on your legs shape. So here, it's a little bit up to you. You can decide which shape you want to use for your legs. You can be totally straight with your legs and as wide as possible. You can be with one leg bent and the other straight, or the opposite, the other leg bent and the other straight. This is a little bit up to you. Also both legs bent backwards, almost like arching in the air like this. So for this one there is not really a rule. But the important thing is that your legs are not like random and relaxed, but that you really have in mind a clear way to use your legs. You can also practice variations of the swipe by doing other shapes with your legs. You can try to cross your feet, for example. You can try to go for a figure four on the other side. You can try to be like this. You can try to touch one foot, to do a tread. You can do whatever you want. Practicing variations of the swipe will also help to improve your regular swipe, so I recommend practicing variations. Try to experiment a little bit with different leg shapes. Try to film yourself. Try with straight legs first, film yourself, then try with both legs bent, film yourself again, then try with one leg straight and with the other bent, then try with the opposite leg straight and the opposite bent, and try to figure out the difference and which form you like the most. Don't just try randomly, but really try to experiment with the posture, with the position, with the shape of your legs, or even with variations. Try to apply all these concepts together once you get more advanced, and your swipe will not look anymore like an ugly power move, and for most people the swipe is not really that beautiful because your legs are not gonna stay in the air the whole time. But if you make your swipe very good and dynamic, it can be even cooler than an air flare, or than a flare, or than a windmill, or other power moves. So it's really up to you how you perform it. If you need help to achieve the swipe, make sure to check out the guide that I made, link in the description. And see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!